Sell your first digital course in 30 days. Kajabi Think It, Build It Challenge. Ready to sell your first digital course in 30 days? Kajabi, one of the top platforms for creators, is launching a free program that takes you from absolutely zero, no audience, no product, step by step, all the way to launching an online moneymaker. In a moment, I'll tell you when it is happening and how you can participate so you can sell your first online course in 30 days. But first, let me explain what it is. It's a 30-day challenge sponsored by a company called Kajabi. By the way, Kajabi has only done this once before, and if you missed the boat that time, you don't want to miss it now. The first challenge was completely different, and they will probably never do one like this again either, so don't wait. If you are at all interested in making money online with digital courses or memberships, you'll want to take a look at this. I'm getting a bit ahead of myself here, as you may be asking, who is Kajabi and how do I know they can help me? Oh, and why are they doing it for free? What is the catch? First, who is Kajabi? If you're really curious, I have a bunch of simple but detailed videos comparing Kajabi against other popular platforms that you're welcome to check out after this. I'll put some links in the description. But if you're already familiar with online business, you probably recognize Kajabi as one of the premier companies providing tools for online business. It's basically an all-in-one digital platform that has helped its users earn over $1.5 billion in revenue. Even though they are really cool, no company and no tool is a perfect fit for everyone. They each have their own quirky personality and culture, which is why I do videos that compare them. And I would normally go into all that right now because I really love helping people find what they need to succeed. But here's the thing, while I was standing around comparing tools with the best of them, along comes Kajabi in 2021 and decides to bring in a whole new game. I'll explain what they've done as we answer the second question, how do you know they can help you? Let's compare the online business tools to a hammer, just for fun here. So if online tools were a hammer, Kajabi has been making hammers for over 10 years, and they are pretty pleased with what they have. They know they have a great hammer since they have over 50,000 users in over 60 countries. That's a lot of people using their hammer and telling Kajabi how much they like it. But here's the thing, Kajabi has been listening to those users carefully, and they found out that people using the hammers don't really care about the hammer the same way Kajabi does. What you really want isn't just a hammer. What you want is to be able to use the hammer to build something that makes you money. If you haven't started yet, the thing holding you back isn't which hammer is better. The thing holding you back is knowing what to do with the hammer once you get it. So yes, hammers are nice and people do care about them, but it's not as much about the hammer as it is about building a successful online business. So what did Kajabi do? Well, they dried their tears after finding out their hammer wasn't what people cared the most about, and then they brought together a ninja team of experts who know the inside out of all things online business. This team of experts has put together a plan that can help anyone who wants to build an online business go from ground zero to getting their first sales in under 30 days. The team includes tech experts, successful entrepreneurs, and marketers who have used the proverbial Kajabi hammer to build businesses making hundreds of millions. Oh, and speaking of millions, Kajabi didn't just listen to what matters about the hammer. They know money is one of those things holding people back, so what did they decide to do? They will be letting you use all the Kajabi Premier tools for free for the entire 30 days. That's right, it's like they brought in a bunch of carpenters and all these great tools and materials and said, all you have to do is show up every day for a month, follow along their simple step-by-step instructions, and in the end you'll walk away with a finished product that's making you money. Not only will you have new hammering skills, but your Kajabi hammer will already be making you money. Okay, so Kajabi isn't making actual hammers. They are making all-in-one business tools, and if you follow along, you won't come away with hammering skills, you'll come away being able to create a digital product people will buy, put it in front of people who are looking for it, and make a consistent, sustainable, steady stream of income. They're not just handing you the plans and wishing you good luck. They are actually going to be there, answering questions, giving you support and feedback, and making sure everything goes smoothly. If you have ever had any interest in having a successful online business, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. They are putting everything in your hands with no cost and no obligation. In fact, as I'll explain in a moment, they'll even be your first customer. Okay, so that's what it's about, but what about the catch? Why are they doing all this for free? They could be charging people a lot of money for that kind of thing, right? It's pretty simple. Kajabi has been working closely with entrepreneurs for a long time, and what fills their hearts with joy is knowing that when they succeed at helping you use their precious hammer to make you money, you are going to love their hammer and want to keep it. In the first ever Kajabi challenge earlier this year, people starting out just like you created brand new digital products that in just 30 days brought in collectively $427,245.14. Those are the actual numbers. So, based on their research and the success of the brand new people in their first challenge, Kajabi is pretty confident that if you follow along as they walk you through step by step, at the end of 30 days you will be making money with their Kajabi hammer, and then you'll be able to keep it. That's the catch. You could end up making money and keeping Kajabi's tools. It's a bit of a gamble, as they have to support all these non-paying people using their tools and getting support for 30 days. Plus, they have this whole team of experts geared up to be there for you every step of the way. If they can't help you make money, they know you probably won't stay, and they will have wasted all that time and effort on their part for naught. You will have gained a bunch of skills and new progress that you get to keep, but they will be left empty-handed. However, if they succeed in helping you build something that starts making money, and if that thing grows and gives you maybe even a lifetime of income, there's a really good chance that you will be happy with their hammer for a very long time. And apparently they're willing to take those odds. I mean, if it works, it makes sense, because if whatever you build in the 30 days is making money, why wouldn't you keep it? At that point, it's better than free, it's paying its own way. It's like a magic hammer that works for you. How likely is it that you will be able to build a digital product that makes you money? Well, Kajabi is so confident that they will not only give you all the tools, support, and training, they will also be your first customer and buy your digital product up to $100. That's right. Terms and conditions apply, of course, but they are going to help you build it and then pay you. That's confidence. But the cool part is what happens after you build it. If you decide to keep the Kajabi hammer, they have a whole follow-up system in place to help you bring in more customers and establish an online business that works for you. That first digital course you build can continue bringing in a consistent income even if you never build another. But even if you decide not to keep the Kajabi hammer, the skills you gain will stay with you forever. I promised to let you know when this is happening and how you can participate, so here are the details. The challenge starts on March 30th and goes till April 29th. You can only sign up between March 15th and March 29th, so if you see this video before that time, go to the link where you can opt in, and I will send you a challenge registration link as soon as the challenge opens. If you see this video after March 29th, I sincerely apologize for getting your hopes up. But there is a chance Kajabi will do a different challenge in the future, so if you are interested, you can either subscribe to my channel where I'll post a video announcement, or go to the comments and opt in with your email so I can send you a personal invitation. For those of you lucky enough to see this video during the open sign-up period, which is between the 15th and 29th of March, you can sign up right now by clicking the Think It, Build It challenge link in the comments. Just click that link and the Kajabi team will take it from there. So, a really quick recap. Kajabi has never done anything exactly like this before, and they may never do it again. So if you have any desire to get recurring online income, this is about as good an opportunity as you can find. Find the link, click, and go. Oh, but before you go, if you found this video helpful, please take a second to like and subscribe. It's free and it really helps support the channel and these videos. Thank you for your support, and I hope you make a ton of money in 2021. I'm sure you've heard this is gonna be rough.